All freaking right, vlog. Well, wow. It is like 11 o'clock right now. Actually, 11:30 right now. And boy, did we have a night last night. I was out with Naman till about, with Naman till about nearly 6 a.m. last night. I wasn't with him the entire time. Some other friends we made along the way, but also peep some of my new Uniqlo clothing that I'm wearing right now. Yeah, peep some of the new Uniqlo clothes that I'm wearing right now. I'm walking to 7-Eleven. It is time. We need some sustenance. We're taking the train today to go to Osaka. These last 2 nights, dude, it has been a trip here. It has been a trip so far, and I am tired. Yeah, we're gonna go get some breakfast right now and recharge the batteries. All right, vlog, we've become civilized. We're out here. A lot of bags now.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of coats on this guy. Yeah, we're heading to the station. All right, vlog. We are in Osaka now. It's been a little bit of time. I've had a lot of travel. I've also been carrying a lot of stuff, so it's nearly impossible to follow. Here's the hostel. Kyle's over there. And Naman's down a couple, but there's 21 people here. Yeah, super sick. I'm gonna go to the restroom. It's like 4:21 right now. But yeah, pretty much just a full day of travel so far. We're gonna have a nap, then get out there. All right, vlog. We're here in Osaka.
We got that on Google.
Oh, the what?
The bike.
The bike? Dude, yeah. Really nice bike that just went past. We're in Osaka. And the 3 of us are going to, where are we going?
Some Yakinitsu place. Yakinitsu Dotonbori.
Yakiniku!
We are going to Donmonbori market.
Donmon.
Donmonbori.
Donmonbori. Yeah.
No, it's Donmonbori.
Yes, I think we're doing like some type of like the hot pot style, right? Or the cook your own type thing.
What is it? Yakiniku.
Yakiniku. So yeah, we haven't had much vlogging today. We just took like an hour. I honestly subbed for just like an hour and a half. And yeah, had a great nap because, you know, obviously we're dancing all night last night. And yeah. So yeah, let's go get some beautiful food in the beautiful big city. Wow. All right, vlog. We're at the table. Let's go. All right, vlog. The first piece. What was this? It was lean beef.
Yeah.
Wow. It looks delicious. Oh, some rice.
Do you have an extra? Yeah.
All right, vlog. This is incredibly good. So delicious. You can do it all yourself. This is my first time. He has some chicken. What was the piece of meat we're doing right now?
It's like inner thigh.
Shin.
An
inner thigh. We have an A5 Wagyu platter. Yeah, all Japanese beef. It's going back and forth.
Yep.
All right, vlog. This looks like a very extremely marbled piece of Wagyu. I think one of the most marbled ones. So yeah, so hopefully it's gonna be amazing. All right, vlog. Now we got some hot sake. Let's go. Want to do cheers?
Yep.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Oh.
It's hot. It's super hot.
Very hot. Oh my god. Alright, vlog. Check out a bunch of this. Wow. Water right here. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, vlog. We are getting some, how do you say it?
Takoyaki.
Which is?
Octopus balls. We are
Say that 10 times fast.
Takoyaki.
No, octopus balls.
Octopus balls.
That was once. Anyway,
I feel like it's enough number of times I need to say. But
you know what the vlog wants to hear.
Yeah, this is a popular spot because they have a very big octopus right here.
Very big helicopter.
That's what you want.
But yeah, it looks amazing out here. Wow. All right, vlog. One of the famous places here in Osaka. It's those fish that are filled with things like custard, red bean paste. I got one with chocolate. It's a huge line. It's super cool. Out here just in the Osaka city. Oh! Got your hands full there, sir.
Yeah. Almost dropped one.
Oh my god.
Almost dropped one.
Let me help you repossess them.
I'm good. I don't know what's what though. I know that this is red bean. I think actually. I'm
Is
not
that
sure.
custard?
Yeah, this is definitely the custard.
This one
And I
seems
think
like
this is the chocolate. But I don't know if that's red bean or if this is red bean.
Oh.
I think this is red bean because it's darker.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my god.
Color choices are very good. I like your dress.
Me?
Like the attire.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good outfit.
Yeah, the outfit.
Alright, vlog. We are now at this wonderfully famous, wonderfully famous strawberry themed place. I'm going to be getting this fresh strawberry ice cream with a candy strawberry, or actually just a regular strawberry on top. Wow! Look how beautiful.
Daifuku mochi.
Oh yeah, Daifuku mochi, which you'll see in a little bit, but yeah.
Try some.
Right, vlog. Look how good all of this looks.
They have also matcha.
Is that the one you want?
Yeah,
What?
They have more things on which are not on the menu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're working hard back there. Only 3 workers. And look at this line.
They have tart.
Only 3 workers.
Wow.
Oh yeah, tart.
I would have got strawberry.
All right. We're perusing more. How did the cashmere gloves feel?
Amazing. Very warm.
Amazing warm. Oh wait, have we went in here? Wait, were we in there?
This is the one we went to.
Oh yeah, we were in there.
This guy has a very similar preference. It did not change. Like,
Okay.
food also is like, I should go there. And like, even now.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. I would like something else, like the next day I will.
Oh? No.
What?
Dude, you caught the machine. Bro, where's Kyle? Oh, bro, Kyle. Bro.
Anyone who did it.
All right, vlog. Good morning. Today is Monday, and it's literally like 3 p.m. right now. I'm all by myself. It's been an interesting day. The group of 3 of us, we went out last night to a nightclub, and we ended up getting home very, very late. And yeah, I was not feeling good this morning, and we've just kind of had a whole reset type of day today, I guess you could say. Right now I'm walking to go purchase some Tigers, some of those shoes, and yeah, just get some food and look around a little bit. But yeah, we're kind of on the end stretch now of the trip, you know, just kind of the rest of today. I think we're gonna go visit a castle. Kyle just kind of woke up. But yeah, I'm loving the gloves and scarf that I got at Uniqlo. Are awesome. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking. My head kind of hurts a little bit, so I don't know how much vlog footage I'll get, but yeah. All right, vlog. We got some Tigers. The extremely The Japanese shoes have been acquired. I am beyond excited to wear these. All right, vlog. Not much footage from today, but we're out now. It's pretty late. Actually, how late is it? Like 8?
10.
Oh, 10? It's 10 right now. We're getting some food at this ramen place, potentially. The line is huge though. It's a super famous place, so we might maybe see, maybe move, I'm not sure. But yeah. Alright vlog, this is some of our final hours as a group here, but we made it to a ramen spot. And yeah, it's very quaint, but find some kimchi. It's gonna be good. Oh.
I think the other place was soy sauce.
Boy, I kind of ate a good bit of it, but it's amazing. How do you guys like it?
Really good.
Good? Good? Glad we didn't wait the other place. That was over an hour. Yeah. All right, vlog. Good morning. It's Tuesday, last day in Japan. We're leaving the hostel right now. Taking 3 different public transits, bullet train, going to Narita, back to where we flew in, but yeah. Okay, I think we are in the right place. Going from Shinosaka to Shinagawa. It's kind of confusing, but I think we're on the right spot. Car number 2. Got some food, and yeah. But I'm back on time. On time. Okay, well, I boarded the wrong bullet train. Luckily, I'm going the right direction. But
please be considerate and share the baggage corner with other passengers.
Just the
Please
wrong
ensure
one.
that you
So I'm gonna have
keep
to get
valuables
off
with you
in
at all
Kyoto
times.
and then hop on my right train. Hopefully it all works out. All right, we are now all the way into Narita Airport. Yeah, we're in Narita Airport now, and yeah, I'm gonna have to go figure out where to go to check in. Yeah, I think we keep going now. We are now at a sushi place, getting some sushi. This is gonna be my last meal here in Japan, so I figured I'd have to get something good. It looks delicious. You can see them preparing it. I got a pretty big plate, so I'm very hungry. I've been up since 4 a.m. and it's 10:58. Okay, I completely forgot. But I already ate 3 pieces, but I'll put a photo up here for a little bit. Look at this. Alright, y'all, we are all through immigration. Just my backpack, luggage now. And yeah, no problems at all. And we have plenty of time, so yeah, hopefully we're just gonna get through immigration right now. Then we'll go find a seat, hang out for a bit. Flight's not for a couple hours, like an hour or 2. But yeah, it's going great. All right. Well, we're now through, and yeah, now we're finding the gate. Also, peep these fire jeans that I got at a Japanese thrift store. But yeah, oh, wait. So can you buy clothes once you go through like the wait? I guess I could buy some more stuff. Yeah, we're inside. Can you go find the gate? Also new Uniqlo long sleeve. So yeah, just gonna keep going. But yeah, last couple hours here in Japan. All right, we got like an hour left for the flight. I'm just gonna go check the gate again, but yeah, I was watching a bunch of Squid Game. Yeah, I'm walking over. I'm so tired. I bought one of these neck pillows. The ones that I can kind of hook to the back of the seat, because yeah, I'm gonna literally fall asleep, I swear, so soon. Once I get on the flight. Well. We made it. It's so fun. Hey, we made it. We made it. Finally back in the 90210. Let's go. Oh, I don't know how they do it, but if you can see out there, I'll put up a photo right here. The place is like completely fogged in. I don't understand in the slightest how a pilot can land in a fully fog dense just airport. It was so scary. Literally looking out the window and just seeing nothing but fog and then touching down on a runway. It is so crazy. Alright, vlog. We're all through. New bag held up perfectly. I think right when I got out here the shuttle left, so I think I'll probably have to wait like 20 more minutes or so. Yeah, I think I'm in the right spot, level 2. I'm pretty sure this is where I got dropped off at. So hopefully I'll be on the shuttle soon and back to my car. On the shuttle. Nice.